Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chorizo bean crispy tacos. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start first cooking my beans, and I am using Peruano beans. The water is boiling. I'm adding my 2 cups of Peruano beans, salt to taste, 2 bay leaves, and 3 garlic cloves. Look at this. You need to add your dry beans when the water is boiling. Cover it, leave it there for about 1 hour and a half in medium heat. And of course, you don't have to babysit. After an hour and a half, come and check it. And if they are nice and soft and moist, then they are ready. Look at this. They're ready. I'm going to put them aside, and I am going to continue preparing the rest of the ingredients for these amazing crispy tacos that I know you guys are really going to enjoy for Cinco de Mayo. And these are the ingredients I am going to use. Look at this. Of course, salt, black pepper, garlic, queso fresco, lettuce, red onion, chile habanero, lemon, of course, chorizo and tortilla. And here I want to start with the hot peppers. These are chile habaneros. They're very spicy. That's why I have my gloves on. Of course, you could just slice them like that, or you could remove the seeds and the vein. Believe me, these chiles are very spicy. So here what I'm going to do is remove the seeds and remove the vein, and then I'm going to dice in very small little pieces because I really want to enjoy the spiciness of this amazing pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, the juice of 1 lemon. Let me tell you, the spiciness is going to reduce a little when you add the lemon juice, okay? So don't be scared. You're going to add the lemon juice. Of course, it's going to be like half a cup of lemon juice. And then just let it rest. Let the pepper mingle into the lemon juice. If you love spicy food like I do, you're going to love this amazing pickled onion and this amazing chile habanero, lemon, and the spices. I'm going to put it aside. The aroma is just amazing. And now I'm going to continue with my red onion. I'm going to slice away very nice and thin slices. If you were here, you would see the tears running down my cheeks because this was very spicy. And here I'm just going to incorporate. I am going to cover it with saran wrap and just let it mingle in the refrigerator. So all those juices, everything really penetrates in the onion. And here I have my lettuce washed already. I'm going to get everything ready before I prepare my tacos. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm warming my tortillas. And of course, once this is done, let's prepare our chorizo. The pan is nice and hot. I'm going to pull it apart and start adding just a little bit of water. I don't want to add any oils. Once it starts cooking, the chorizo is going to start releasing the oils, okay? Of course, my frijoles de la olla. And look at this. Look at all that little oil that is coming out of the chorizo. Of course, when you make your beans at home, they taste amazing. And here, once the chorizo is nice and golden brown, I am ready to add about 2 cups of cooked beans. Look at this. Look how this just smells amazing. My kitchen smells amazing. The chorizo always really, it's so dangerous because you start cooking chorizo and everything is penetrated with the chorizo. I added 2 cups of cooked beans and I added a little bit of the juice of the beans, and now I'm ready to smash away. I'm not gonna smash them very smashed. I'm gonna leave one in a little bit just like that. And then I'm ready. I'm ready to prepare my tacos. In another pan, I'm adding vegetable oil. It's getting nice and hot. And now I am ready to be very generous with my filling and start getting my filling into my tortilla. Let me tell you, these crispy tacos are very dangerous because you could start with 2, 3, and you end up eating 4 or 5. While the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to start getting them nice and golden brown, nice and crispy. Once they're done, I am going to flip, and then I have a plate with some napkins, and I'm going to start leaving them to get the excessive oil out of the crispy taco. I'm going to continue getting the rest nice and crispy. And let me tell you, I have everything ready, everything to assemble this crispy and delicious homemade chorizo and bean crispy taco. Look at this. Of course, the lettuce, the queso fresco, the pickled onion. You don't need any sauce for this. The pickled onion, and then you're ready to enjoy. Let me tell you, once you start making these amazing and dangerous crispy tacos, you're really going to fall in love with Gloria en la Cocina, with Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. I'm ready to taste. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this crispy and delicious refried beans with chorizo. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Crispy and perfect for Cinco de Mayo. And of course I have my watermelon lemonade made at home with lots of love. And you have this amazing and refreshing lemonade on my channel. Excuse me. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing crispy bean chorizo tacos. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.